What's up, my friend? David Rishka here, and I want to personally thank you and congratulate you for taking the first step and showing interest in learning how to start making money on the internet. And because you are so awesome, I just emailed you a book, a free gift written by the legendary marketer himself, Dave Sharp. And in this book, he explains how to start profitable online business from scratch with no experiences, and he will teach you all the shortcuts and secrets about how to start making money on the internet in as short period of time as possible. But he will also teach you how to avoid all the costly mistakes that most people make in the beginning phases of their business and when they start making money online, so you can save a lot of money and time. And on the next video, Dave Sharp himself will explain how he went from being completely broke and living basically without a home to creating millions of dollars on the internet. So I'm gonna leave a button below this video, and go ahead and click on the button and play the next video, and I hope to see you on the other side, my friend. David Rishka here, to your success and freedom.
The internet lifestyle is not only about making money and creating wealth. It's about growing as a person. It's about learning. It's about expanding. It's about helping other people to succeed and achieve their goals that they set for themselves. The internet lifestyle certainly helped me to create a life that I love, a life that revolves around the things that I'm passionate about, and created financial and geographic freedom for me, which means that I can go anywhere in the world at any time and for as long as I want to. And I wish the same for you. Whatever your desires are, the internet lifestyle can deliver that. You just have to put your work and effort into it. And with that being said, I wish you all the best on the journey, and as always, to yours, success and freedom. David Rishka here, my friend.
Few years or so, Paris to China to Colorado.